Okay, Love Me Hair, I see what you did there. I freaking love, okay, this is like so sleek and straight. They did that. This is now for sure, hands down, my favorite lace front wig. That work was so minimal. I did not have to do anything to this. Okay, now that the lace is cut off and I put powder in the parting space, and then all I did was straighten the hair. That's literally all I did. This comes with adjustable straps in the back, so I did not use them this time, and the wig feels like it is fitting on my head really good. I feel like it could be tighter if I wanted it to be, but it doesn't have to be. Like, this is a very comfortable fit. It's not squeezing, it's not too loose. I really feel like my wig is secure and she's not gonna budge. I'm also in love with like the feel of this hair. It's very soft and silky, but it's not too soft and silky on that form of feeling fake. I feel like that's the best description I could give it. It just has a very nice soft feel to it. Now, I went in with my wax stick and my hot comb to just lay the hair down and make it into a flat surface, and that was literally it. So you don't have to do anything to this wig, y'all. This is like your perfect summer bob. There we go. So this is a 12-inch. I'm going to put it in the description box, the link directly to this unit. So no bad news to report on it. The only thing that I did have a slight little notice on is that it was shedding a little bit while I was brushing it out and combing it or straightening it or whatever. I just had a few strands that came out, but nothing that was like, oh, I dislike this wig now. And I do have something additional that I want to show you guys that they also provided with this wig. I'm not sure if it's sold like that specifically or if it's just an add-on option. I'll check the website and then I'll put it in the description box below. But the piece that you obviously saw from the thumbnail is a bang piece. So not only do you just get your lace front wig, this goodness right here, you also get a bang piece if you want to switch it up a little bit and have your Chinese bang. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop that open and get her placed on. Now we have the bangs added. Come on, come on. That bang was literally just a snap piece, y'all. You literally just take it, snap it, secure, straighten it. You're ready to go. I got 2 different hairstyles now. 2 different hairstyles. One package, okay? You got your bang and now you got your bob. And if you don't feel like having a bang for the day, take the bang off and you'll have a bob. This is mother freaking bomb. Love Me Hair, you have once again done it again. This is why I'm obsessed with this company. I literally have never been disappointed from their products. Like, this is a must-have, okay? This is a must-have for you to have in your collection this summer. 2 different hairstyles, y'all, and it's the perfect length, perfect density. It's lightweight on the neck. This is perfect for you to have this summer. I promise you. So make sure you check out the description box below. If I did not answer any of you guys your questions, just make sure you leave it in the comment section and I'll make sure I answer it for you. Thank you again to Love Me Hair for sending me this product, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, please come back and watch a next video. And thank you to the ones that are returning. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.